Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today, yes, finally I've got my phone back. So we're going to be dropping into Mining Blocks. We're going to be checking out the state of our account and what else has been going on with the platform. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so like I said, and all I can do is apologize once again. Most of you probably know what happened and why I haven't been around for quite a while. I did do a video a while back explaining that. If you want to go and check that out, it will be in my channel. Basically, I moved house. I didn't have internet for over 3 weeks, and I also smashed my phone up. Today, we have finally got my phone back, which means that now I can actually log in to all of my accounts. And today, we're going to start off with Mining Blocks, because for me, this is the most important one, because I know that I owe you guys a lot of coins. For those of you that have been loyal to my mining pool, and we're going to get into that. So anyway, first let's go into our account. So I think that I'm sure by now there has been a few updates. We've got a offer wall contest going on, so you can get 100% additional rewards on your offer wall and short links. Anything you do in the offer wall is short links. You're going to get 100% bonus on that. They've got a miner art contest going on. Please check out the Discord for any kind of announcements and more information. Probably taking a leaf out of Rollercoin's book on that. Obviously, they've done art contests in the past. And I think it's a great way to get the community involved with the platform a bit more. And obviously, you guys that enter are going to get yourself a bit of a reward for entering into it as well. So if we go into the announcements, I don't think there's a huge amount in here that is really massively affecting the platform itself. This is about the art contest. If you want to know more about that, go into the Discord, or even come on here and you can look up in the announcements. You can look up the information that you need. So obviously the dimensions of your picture or thumbnail or whatever, and then basically what you can't do and things like that. So yeah, there is a thing on the so there's a material tier adjustment. So that basically shows the difference between where the poor container was and is now. So it's now tier 1, small container is tier 2, mid container is now tier 3, big container is tier 4, and now obviously they've got the giant container, which I think that had come out when the last video I did before today. But obviously they've adjusted, like it says here, they've adjusted the tier levels as well with that. I think that's really the I don't know what this maintenance page is about. I've had a quick look, and I couldn't really find anything. It might be on the Discord, I'm not sure. So they've added lots of, what is good, they've added quite a lot of different offer walls. So they've got this arcade offer wall. I think if you scroll down, there's another offer wall that they've added. I know that they've removed Bits Wall. I did mention this in the first video I did coming back, explaining why I was away. And basically, Mining Blocks have removed Bits Wall because Bits Wall were not paying them. So they basically removed them. They just felt that the whole program had become a scam. And I also did note that obviously Larval Faucet have removed Bits Wall as well. So obviously Bits Wall have not done themselves any favors, and they've just, neglected their platform, neglected the people that are using their platform, and that's it. I mean, maybe they've just done a scam exit and disappeared with whatever money they had, and they've just decided, no, enough's enough, we'll just take the money and we'll just not bother notifying anybody. So you've got this atomic miner has been released, and I think there's another miner which I quickly saw in the crafting that has been released. So that's about their servers and stuff like that. So if we go into the crafting and we scroll down, so this is the atomic poor atomic miner, and then you've got the small atomic miner. Obviously they're not any no real great shakes in the sense of how much power you're getting from those, but for new users and new members, it's a good starting point. So if we go into the offer wall, we can quickly see, so this was the last one that had been added before I sort of disappeared off the scene for a while. So we've got this as a new offer wall, we've got that as a new offer wall, and we've got Add Wall Gate. Now Add Wall Gate is very popular. It's used in HitBits, it's used in Contract Miner, it's used in, I think it's used in Larval Faucet. It is a good offer wall, and like I say, many platforms use that on their platform. So let's quickly do the faucet. I haven't done any of this. Oh, actually, something I need to do, which is very, very important, because obviously we haven't been in here for quite some time, and probably should have been the first thing I did when I did come in. If we go into here, and for those of you that don't know a whole lot about mining blocks, but think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to a tutorial in the description. Now that's going to give you a lot more information and a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to do to get your accounts up and running and earn yourself some of these free coins. But if you go right the way to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. You can see that basically, if we scroll down, it says I am not in a mining pool, and that is because obviously we've been away that long that our equipment health has just diminished. So I've not been mining at all for the last 20 odd days, like nearly a month. So here we go, and then if we scroll down, so pool list, so we'll go and add ourselves to our own pool. So if we join this, so we're at 6660, so we'll go to well, yeah, that was weird. So 850, there you go. So I've added our power to that, so we're now at 850. So I mean, obviously I haven't been in here for, like I say, nearly a month, so the amount of levels I've done is none. So nothing has really changed in the sense of how much power we have or anything like that. It's all basically what it was when I moved house, and that was it. So anyway, the big thing is that obviously when I started at the mining pool, I started gifting. I was gifting, making gifts, daily gifts for you to help you guys out. Now, obviously, I've been away for quite some time. I did note down the video I did when I came back, explaining why I'd been away. I did note that basically I owed you 21 days of rewards. And that was on the 15th of June. It's now the 23rd of June. So that is another 8 days. Another 8 days. So if we look here, if we go, so that'd be 29 days, I guess. So 29 days. No, in fact, actually, clear that. So what we need to do is how much I was giving you on a daily basis, which was 20 million rather. So that's 0.2 of either Matic or Block. I was giving you, I was sort of going between the two. I did give you guys a load of Redcoin, but that was basically because Redcoin was ending, and I just sort of, you know, just was giving it to you because it was the amount we were earning, because they were ramping up how much people were getting. It, you know, it just started getting a bit out of hand, so that's why I gave it to you guys. So anyway, 0.2 times 29, yeah, so equals, so that's I owe you 5.8 coins. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to actually make a withdrawal of Matic. So we're going to do 5.8 block I'm going to be giving you guys. So if we go into my pool, so we have 105 members that have been really loyal and stayed in the pool, and for that I am massively thankful. And for me, you guys completely deserve this, because you have been loyal to my mining pool. Even though I haven't been around for nearly a month, you guys have stayed in the pool, and I really, really do appreciate that. So, is it in here? It's not upgrade. In fact, has gifting gone? Is it in here? Here, gift. Thank you. I thought for a second they'd removed it. So, block. So we're going to give you 5.8. In fact, you know what we're going to do, bugger it. We'll just round it up to 6. We're just going to round it up to 6 because, like I say, you guys, I just can't. You guys, I'm so appreciative that you guys have stayed in the pool, and the fact that you stayed loyal to me all this time that I've been away. And obviously, because I haven't had an internet, I've not even been able to let you know what's been going on, why I've not been around until just the other day. So, like I say, the fact that you have stayed in the pool, I just absolutely amazing, absolutely amazing. So you guys, I'm going to send you guys six full block, and that's going to get spread amongst you. In fact, I've done the wrong thing, haven't I? Because what I should have done was sent it to you before I joined, because now I'm going to get that. I don't know if can I unjoin it and then join the same. I don't know. Let's have a look. Because I want you guys to get this, because otherwise I'm going to get some of this back. So let's have a look. So can I? So I'm here. I'm in here. So I don't know. You can't unjoin, can you? You can't just unjoin. I'd have to go and join another pool. But yeah, what we'll do is we're going to join Adam's family pool. If I can. No, it says you have to wait until the 23rd to change your pool. Yeah, so unfortunately I'm not. I really screwed that up because, like I say, I'm going to get some of this back. But at the end of the day, because we're, instead of 5.8, we're giving you 6, it, you know, maybe it sort of evens itself out. Anyway, so gift, no, not Polygon, block 6, and then we're gonna gift you that. Yeah, I'm just you're probably wondering, why is he pausing? It's just I'm checking everything is right. So you got block, you got 6, gift. Okay, so that has been gifted. Now I'm going to be able to go in here and I can see how much all of you guys should have got because I'm going to get the same. So you basically should get, everybody should get 5 million. 5 million block, which, like I say, should have thought about it and I should have sent to you before I joined the pool, back into the pool. But anyway, that's what you got. And then from obviously today, I will be back gifting on a daily basis. Okay, so let's pause the video a sec. Okay, so I just went and got my Matic wallet address. So we're going to withdraw this 3.1 Matic. Let's have a look. We'll just put 3. In fact, we might as well just go send all. Yeah, 3.1. We're going to. Oh, okay. That's interesting because you can't do it to an external wallet anymore. Right. So that's changed. So we'll do Faucet Pay, and then we'll just put in our email address. Okay, and then we request it. Polygon 3.18. Fee is 0. That's nice. Request. Go. There you go. Right. So that is in a pending state. I don't know how long it takes because normally in the past I've withdrawn to direct to a external wallet. When I was withdrawing the Redcoin, I made a few Redcoin withdrawals and that went to my mobile wallet. But I like the fact that they're just utilizing Faucet Pay. I mean, they use Faucet Pay for a deposit system, so you might as well use it to withdraw as well. And obviously, I know a lot of you guys use Faucet Pay, so you're probably happy about that as well. So that's cool. Right, so that's about it. There's not a lot else going on with our account because we haven't done anything. Oh, actually, no, I don't even think we've really got anything in the way of roulette tokens from what I remember. So yeah, so that's it. I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found that helpful and informative. And if you can smash that like button, please, it really, really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care. Have a great rest of your week and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.